wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to see me finally try these new NYX products, let's go. Okay, so this is the face glue gripping primer. This retails for $9. The NYX professional makeup face glue gripping primer hydrates and grips your makeup for 24 hours without the ick. Get all the grip, none of the stickiness. Okay, very cute packaging. Oh, hold on. Oh, maybe not. You pull it off? How do I? Okay. Maybe. Could have made that a little more distinct, but let's just go ahead. Oop. If it comes flying out on my face. Ooh. Okay, this is it dried down on my face. It's giving a little tacky, but like not much. So we're going to try that with that Patrick Ta foundation, because y'all know, like I said, not really like for oily skin, but you can definitely make it work with the products that you use. So I want to see how these glue products are going to work with Patrick, and just put that foundation on. Okay, and then the NYX face glue setting spray. It's weird because it looks like something is just sitting on like one side of the bottle. I'm like, is that product? Let's see, how do you... Okay, it missed out. Ooh, did I get that on the... Okay. Ooh, okay. I'm not sure I like how that sprays out, but we're worried about what it does on the face. Baby, one thing about it, wearing your actual lashes will really humble you. It'll really humble you. You put that mascara on, you're like, oh. Okay, so this is gonna be my face for the day. It is late, it's already like 2:36. So I'm going to check back in later and see how my face held up with all this glue on, okay? Bye. Okay, so it is 11:52. This is what my face looks like. I'm not even gonna hold y'all, your girl is tired. I didn't realize what time it was. I was literally just scrolling on TikTok. I was looking at all the updates on Hurricane Milton. And I looked up, it was 11 p.m. So your girl is tired. So the energy is, but the product did what it had to do. Baby, you could have gone ahead and said, go ahead and put it in the cart when I left for the day, because it was giving face secure. Okay, face was not going anywhere. I don't remember what time. I think it was what, 2 in the afternoon? I said it wasn't gonna be a long wear test, and then it still ends up being damn near 9 hours. But yeah, products are secure. They do what they have to do. Let's keep in mind, I'm using the Patrick Ta foundation, so I'm heavily relying on these products. The rest of the products I use will be in the description down below. My nose, I just keep looking at it because like usually my nose does not get oily, but you know, above my brow, T-zone area, and above my lip is not where I usually get oily, but that's what I was leaning in to say. I think this is going to secure your face. The gripping does what it has to do. The makeup's not going to move if you have oily skin. It'll control the oil throughout the day. The only thing is, I feel like those areas of my face are getting oily, because you really have to be careful. If y'all paid attention to how much primer I put on, it was a lot. Okay, and the spraying, because it kind of threw me off, it was a lot as well. And I feel like you could easily like too mattify your face with this. And y'all know, like, if your face is too matte, your skin starts fighting back and the oil actually starts producing more because it feels like your face is dried out, right? So I feel like everybody wants, when I tell you I was laying there, wasn't doing nothing, just scrolling TikTok, watching people's lives. No one wants to text me. No one wants to call me. As soon as, what was I even saying? Yeah, I just think like, start off small, build your way up if you have to. A little goes a long way. But that is something to think about. If you use a little too much of it, it might dry you out a little bit. But other than that, you really could have just put it in the bag before I even left for the day. NYX rarely misses. They gave us a good gripping primer, a good setting spray, really glues everything onto your face. And I like how the makeup sat on top. Like, since it's a natural foundation, I feel like skin still looked natural. It still looked good, even though they were pretty mattifying on the face. So if you're looking for a good, affordable option for your primer and setting spray, I would say, I mean, if you try it and you don't like it, you know, don't come for me. But I would give this the go ahead to check this out. And it's giving, because I know I just tried the blush and bronzer from NYX. Is giving updated full face of NYX Cosmetics, because NYX is one of those brands, especially drugstore brands, like they just get it. We see each other. That is it for this video. I hope seeing and testing out has helped. If you're thinking of checking it out for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, 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 yeah.